How to delete your eBay account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I'll simply show you the way as to how you can delete your eBay account. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now what you have to do is to just go ahead and then first of all open up your browser, not from the eBay app but from your browser, and make sure you go to ebay.com and log into that account which you want to delete, because you can see in my case I'm already logged in. In the app, you'll not be able to delete the account. So log in from browser and tap on the profile icon from the top of the screen, as you could see over here. Once you tap on the profile icon, you will see all these sorts of options, and here you have to select the option that says account. And as you select the option called account over here, so let me just go ahead and do that, you'll be able to see all these sorts of personal information. In order to close or delete our eBay account, we will scroll down under account preferences. You can see this little text that says close account. So in order to delete our eBay account, all you have to do is tap on the close account button, and it will basically take you to this page which says what happens after requesting to close your account, data deletion, and what data is deleted. So you can see this: before closing your account, consider contacting us first. We don't want to see you go, and so on. But if you do still want to delete your account, then what you have to do is actually scroll down at the bottom and select this blue button that says close account. Once you tap on the close account button, it will take you to a page where you can actually confirm it. It will ask you why you're leaving, so just select any of the other reasons over here, and once you do so, what you can do is just go ahead and tap on the continue button at the bottom of the screen. By checking this box, just tap on the submit button, and once you've done that, they've received the request to delete our eBay account, and within 24 hours we'll send an update on the status of your request. And that's all it takes to delete your eBay account. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.